If you're an Etsy seller, which I'm pretty sure you are because you clicked on this video, and you're not using email, you're going to want to watch this video because I recently taught a class where I showed exactly how I was able to send 11 emails and generate $3,177 in our Etsy shop. Now, one of the biggest questions that I was asked is, how do I build an email list for my Etsy shop? And that's why I'm going to show you that in this video. There's actually 3 methods that we use, and anyone can start doing this immediately. All right, method number 1 is, well, taking your existing customers and getting them to subscribe to your email list. Now, there's a rumor going around that Etsy doesn't want you to collect your customers' email addresses. And that might have been the case years ago, but they actually are encouraging it. Check this out. Right in their documentation, it says right here, get more sales from the same customers when you promote your Etsy store via email marketing. And then down here, it says, how can I make more money with email marketing? Keep new customers coming back to your store with a welcome email and a discount code. Promote your store to all customers using email newsletters. So clearly, they do want you to use email, and they are allowing you to collect your customers' emails. But you do need to make sure that they consent that they want to receive emails from you. So let me show you how this looks. If you have an Etsy customer right here, you're going to send them an email, a confirmation email, and there is where you can ask them to subscribe. Once they say yes to subscribe, they are now going to be added to your email list. So this is where you are going to have to make sure that your customer says that they want to subscribe to your email newsletter or to a VIP club. That's what I generally do. Now, the problem with this, up until right now, the only tool that you could use to do this was Aweber. And take it from me, who has used Aweber almost 20 years ago, it hasn't really changed much, and it's not built for the Etsy seller. But they must have had some type of agreement or some type of arrangement. I don't know why they chose Aweber, but there is good news. There's a new tool that will allow us to do this, and it was built for the Etsy seller, and it's called Everb Email. If you've ever used Everb in the past for product research and keyword research, well, they're adding a new feature, and this feature is going to change the game. So the way that this works is inside of Everb, which you can see here, this is our dashboard. Right down here, it says Everb Email. You literally click on that and you are up and running. And basically what it's going to allow you to do is this right here. And this has not been done yet, at least to my knowledge. So here's how it works. You have a customer that comes through the door, okay? They buy something from your Etsy shop. Well, automatically, they are going to get an email from you that is a confirmation email. It'll say something like, hey, we're just confirming that we've received your order and we are currently working on fulfilling it, and we will let you know when it ships. That's basically what it says. But also what we can do now is we can personalize this message, and we can ask them to subscribe to our newsletter or to our VIP list. Then here's the other cool thing. We get to send a second email. And this here can happen even if they haven't opted in to get emails yet. Why? Because it's pertaining to an order. And it specifically says in Etsy's terms of service that as long as you're emailing about an order, you can email them. And what we're doing here is we're getting them to subscribe, or at least we're suggesting that they subscribe. We're giving them a reason. And then here, email number 3, this is after it's been delivered. So imagine that you just received your item. You're going to get an email from us that says, hey, we just noticed that you received your item. Let us know how you like it. Let us know if you have any issues, and we will make sure that you are 100% happy. And oh, by the way, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to our VIP list. And then you get to send a 4th email, and this is going to be sent 24 hours from the last one. And this here is just going to check in with them one more time, and then it is going to ask for a review. So this is what is possible now. We are able to build our email list. We're able to also get that customer to know, like, and trust us because we're following up with them to make sure everything's okay. And then we also get to ask for a review. This here is game changer. Now, once this is set up, it's completely automated. Check this out. So inside of your dashboard, you're going to see that you can either turn these on or you can turn them off. These are all set to on. So once they are set up, I get a new customer, they immediately are going to go into this sequence. And then I also get to see how many people have opened it. I can see the clicks. I can see how many orders I've received from this. All of this stuff is now visible. This has not been done before, at least that I'm aware of. And remember how I said that Aweber wasn't built for the Etsy seller? Well, this is exactly what an Etsy seller needs. And these emails are preloaded. So you literally just have to hook it up to your account, and then it is going to be automatically looking like this. And then all you need to do is make sure that they're all turned on. Now you can go in there and you can edit any of these, which I do recommend you do, but this here is a great way to start building your email list. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, if we're heading into Q4 or even just a busy time of year, that's when you want to capitalize because you have more traffic and more customers, which is also going to build your email list to be a lot bigger. And what does that mean? Generally, it means when you send emails, you're going to make more sales. Let me just give you an example of that first email and what that looks like so you can get an idea of what we are saying to our customers. So in that first email, here is one that I wrote for one of our students. It says, "Hey there, it's Ty, the lady behind Rockin' Wood USA's Etsy shop who's a little obsessed with rustic wood. Smiley face. I wanted to let you know we received your order and it's being processed as we speak. Thank you for allowing us, me and my family, the opportunity to bring a bit of our love for rustic reclaimed wood into your life. Your order is now being prepared and will be delivered as soon as possible." And this here is really important. This is where we say, join our VIP Rustic Wood Club. Get early access to new products, exclusive discounts, and more by subscribing to our VIP email list. Click the subscribe button below to join. And then once they click that subscribe, they are now part of your email list that you can email on a regular basis. That's it. That is how simple it is now to be able to follow up with your customers and start building your email list. So this is the number one way to start building that email list for existing Etsy sellers. Now, before we jump into method number 2, if you want to try Everb and get this hooked up to your Etsy account, head on over to emailforshops.com and there you'll find a special discount as well. And when you sign up, I also want to give you some of my proven templates that have generated thousands of dollars in sales. So all you need to do to get those is, well, sign up emailforshops.com and then send an email to support@brandcreators.com and let me know that you signed up for the growth plan. And I will send you templates that you can plug right into your Everb account. Oh, and one other thing that I want to bring up here before we move on is a lot of people will say, well, Scott, doesn't Etsy already send out emails letting people know that their order was submitted and their product was shipped and their product was delivered? And the answer is yes, they do send them. But you know as well as I do, it's not from the shop owner. It's from Etsy. First off, those emails will never make it to the inbox because they'll get dropped in the spam folder. So they'll never get them. But the other thing is, wouldn't you want to get an email from the business owner? I mean, think about the last time that you went to a restaurant that the chef came out later and they actually came up to you and said, "Hey, how is everything?" That there goes a long way for the business owner. So you sending out these personalized type emails, that's going to help you build a relationship with your customer, which is also going to get them talking about your business and probably coming back to buy more. So the next method I'm going to share with you, this helps people that ask this question. Scott, I don't have any sales yet, or I don't have many sales. How am I supposed to build an email list if I don't have any sales? This method is going to help you with that. This is what I call the giveaway method. And this is really, really powerful. We have actually launched many businesses on just using this giveaway method to build an email list so we can launch our products. So listen up closely. The very first thing that we do is we will take 3 to 5 of our products and we will use them as our giveaway. We are going to give them away for free. This is part of our advertising. That's how we look at it. The next thing we're going to use is a giveaway tool. The one that we use is King Sumo. I'll go ahead and link everything up that I'm talking about in the description, so make sure that you check that out after this video. But that's what we use, King Sumo. It's a great tool because, well, it's built for giveaways. And then what we do from there is we will drive traffic using Facebook ads. And the reason why we use Facebook ads is because, well, we can do it very inexpensively. We can use $5 or $10 a day, and we can get some really, really good traffic. And then it also allows us to target the people that we want to get our products in front of. And the important thing here is by us focusing and targeting our ads on a specific type of audience, then, well, if they sign up for this giveaway, there's a good chance that they might want to buy one of our products. Why? Because the products that we're giving away just happen to be ours. Then what we do is we run this between 14 and 30 days, somewhere in there, and then we will take those emails and then we can use those for our Etsy shop. You see how that works? We took our products, we put them in front of our audience that doesn't know about us on Etsy yet, and then we go ahead and get them to opt in or join our email list. And then from there, we get to follow up with them to let them know if they won or if they didn't. And if they didn't, guess what we get to do? Here's a little ninja tip. We basically say, hey, so sorry you didn't win, but what we want to do is make sure everyone that signed up is a winner. So here's a 25% off discount for the next 7 days. And that there will help drive some additional sales. And this way here, everyone feels like a winner. Who doesn't want to be a winner? So to recap, let me share with you the 6-step process. Well, here we have our Facebook ad. We have our giveaway bundle. We put that on a King Sumo page. We collect the emails. We then import them into Everb, and then from there, we send emails. And let me take a second here to show you how easy it is to import these emails into Everb. You go into your dashboard right here, you go under Add List, and then from here, we just click here where it says Import List. And then it will ask you, do you have consent? And then you say yes, and that is it. And now, once those are in your database inside of Everb, you are free to email those people. All right, my third method is going to have people sign up to join your VIP club. And all you're going to do is create one simple page, and then you're going to have a confirmation page. That's all that you need. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So inside of Everb, we have this right here where we go under subscribers tab. And then you're going to see where it says view subscriber page, view confirmation page. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create that right here. And you can see we can customize this. I put here, join the Rustic Wood VIP Club, join and receive special VIP Club only specials, giveaways, and more. And here we get to create our own page. So you can see where I put join the Rustic Wood Club VIP Club, join and receive special VIP Club only specials, giveaways, and new releases. Enter your email, subscribe. And then we have our own link that we get to share right here. And then what we get to do is we get to put that link in various places. But before we get to that, let me show you what we can do on the confirmation page, because when someone enters or subscribes, we want to give them another place to go. And that's what we can do right here. So on this page, this is the confirmation page. This is after they enter their email address. It's going to say, thanks for joining the club, smiley face, go to my Etsy shop. And then immediately they're going to be taken to your Etsy shop automatically. This happens automatically. So now that you have this link, where are you going to get traffic? Well, my recommendation would be you can put it in the announcement of your Etsy shop. You can put it in your description of your products, and you can also put it in an image placeholder to let people know about your VIP club. Now that's just a few. You can share this wherever you think that you have the potential to get it in front of people. You can share it on your own Facebook profile. You can share it on Pinterest. You can share it wherever you think people in your audience would be hanging out. So if you're ready to start building your email list using one or all of these methods, head on over to emailforshops.com. get signed up. You'll get a special discount. And after you sign up, I want you to send an email to support@brandcreators.com, and I will send you my exclusive templates that, like I said, have generated thousands of dollars for me in our Etsy shop. All you got to do is go to emailforshops.com to get started. Now, I know I covered a lot in this video, and if you're feeling a little overwhelmed or just you need more information or you need more training, well, you're in luck, because I did a full training right here that walks you through exactly how we were able to generate the $3,177, and I even show you some of those emails. So if you want more information, go there, watch that training, totally free, and I'll see you there.